Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve few examples based on nodes, branches and loops. So in this circuit we want to see how many branches, how many nodes and how many loops are exist over there, and we want to identify the elements in this circuit that are in series or in parallel. We start with the number of branches. The branches is simply the number of elements in the circuit. How many elements do we have over here? I have 1 ohm resistor as the first element. I have 2 ohm resistor as the second element. 5 ohm resistor as the third element. 110 volt voltage source as the fourth element, and finally 4 ohm resistor. Therefore I have 5 branches. Then we want to see how many nodes do we have over here. So I can call this one as the first node, node A, which connect the 1 ohm resistor. Yes, 1 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor and 5 ohm resistor. And in the previous lecture we saw that if two nodes are connected to each other via a wire, you are not counting as a different nodes, therefore both of them are the same nodes as node A. So I can have here another node, I call it node B, which connect 5 ohm resistor, 10 volt and 4 ohm resistor again. And here, since they are connected via wire, they are using the same node. So this is my second node. And finally here I can assume this green one as the third node, node C, since it's connected 1 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor, 10 volt voltage source, and also 4 ohm to this node. But since they are connected via wire, there are not different nodes, all of them are the same nodes. Therefore here I have 3 nodes. Okay, how many independent loop I have? So independent loops are any closed loop that doesn't have any elements that show up in other loop. Therefore this is my first independent loop, I can call it I1. This is my second independent loop, I can call it I2. And this is my third independent loop, I can call it I3. Obviously, if they asking how many loops do we have, so rather than these 3 independent loop, you can consider this orange one as loop number 4. You can assume that let's say this blue closed loop as loop number 5, and you can assume the whole circuit, which is again closed loop, as loop 6. Then the question asks you if there is any element in series or in parallel. If you look at this circuit, you can see that 2 ohm resistor that I have over here, if you look at the 2 ohm resistor, has using node A and node C. Yes. So if you look at 1 ohm resistor, 1 ohm resistor is also using node A and C. Therefore, these two resistor elements are in parallel. On the other hand, can you see another one that are in parallel? Yes. If you see over here, you can see that one 10-volt voltage source is connected to node B and C. Also, 4 ohm resistor is connected to the node B and C. Therefore, these two are also in parallel. So again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helps you to understand the topic better.